The main thing is, ma'am, in after joining CMTI, I've gained my confidence that I could shine in civil industry, ma'am. Friends also to download the app, CMTI app.
Hi Arjun,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, Arjun. Okay,
Yes.
so this is Aruna from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So, shall we start?
Yeah,
Okay. Can you introduce about yourself, your earlier
ma'am.
studies?
I'm Arjun Ramasamy from Chennai. Uh, I finished my engineering at 2018. Then after finishing my graduation, my BE degree, I was into another business, not civil oriented. I was just thinking whether to enter or not. I had few doubts in it. After coming to CMTI, that I only want to pursue in civil industry.
Then, how did you get to know about CMTI,
Ma'am,
Arjun?
I get to know about through my friend circle, ma'am, and my uncle is runs a company in Chennai. He referred me to CMTI. They are offering many courses. They told me. So I thought, why don't we gain knowledge? So from him only.
Okay, fine. Then, what and all you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus?
Apart from my syllabus, ma'am, I gained quite a few knowledges on different types of constructions, ma'am, over here. I asked few doubts to even sirs, and ma'am, they have explained it very clearly. I actually different types of ideas they suggested, like steel constructions, then interlocking bricks, ACC, modern different types of constructions, and teach about. They taught about different types of interiors, and the site visits were very exclusive, ma'am. The HMG Stones, Homeland showroom, then another design cafe. All those site experiences were good, ma'am, for us. So we gained a very good knowledge going over there.
Okay. So can you tell me about trainer Rajan sir
Yeah,
and Ashok sir
yeah,
regarding the career and what is that interview guidance
yeah.
and all?
They were helping me a lot in uh, to gain knowledge, ma'am. I would like to thank Natarajan sir because any questions I ask, he politely he explained thoroughly about all the subject. And even Ashok sir has assigned many conferences. Like he suggested me to go. I went to tunneling and underground construction, then admixtures, and few more even precast structures, even many more conferences they have suggested me. I would visit them in the future because it will be conducting in few further coming months. So Ashok sir was a very good mentor to me in CMTI.
So what about CMTI app and all? How did that help
Yeah,
you Arjun?
the app, ma'am. Again, seeing in SketchUp, because to revision it, it is very helpful for all the students, because those who are not available over here offline, they can do it online. So the app was very good. They helped me also in it. Different subjects also I've subscribed to it. So I would in the future thing, I'll suggest my friends also to download the app, CMTI app.
Okay. So coming to your confidence level, Arjun, before joining CMTI and after joining
Yeah,
CMTI.
the main thing is, ma'am, and after joining CMTI, I've gained my confidence that I could shine in civil industry, ma'am, construction industry, because I'm starting a new venture, my own construction firm. So I've gained confidence.
Okay. So what about CMTI staffs and all? How was their coordination throughout
Staffs
the
were very
teachers?
polite, ma'am, over here. Technical and non-technical staffs, all of them were friendly. They were actually too friendly that even they suggested many ideas, shared ideas, everything in CMTI, ma'am.
So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Arjun?
Friends, I'll miss them, ma'am, because within a few days we all got very attached over here. Main thing, apart from that, I wish them all the best for their coming futures. They will shine in the future, ma'am. Like,
Okay. Okay, Arjun, thank you for your feedback.
yes,
I hope all the best for your future.